This is part 3 of growing vegetables. In this video, I'm going to show you a simple way to get rid of your lawn so you can convert it into a vegetable garden. Now, if you're growing in containers or in raised beds, you don't have to go through this process. The method we're going to discuss here is for those gardeners who want to garden on the soil. If you're doing raised beds, just build them, fill it with soil, and that soil will kill the grass underneath. You don't have to do anything special. So we're going to start this garden. We found a sunny spot. We have water for it. We go out there and what do we have? Well, you probably have a lawn. Unless you're out in the country, and in that case, you probably have weeds. How do you get rid of that lawn? In the olden days, we'd come along and we'd dig all this up and we'd take that lawn away. So we'd take the top 2 or 3 inches of the lawn and remove it. And I did do that years ago. I can tell you it's a lot of work. And there's a fundamental problem with it. Remember what I said the builder does when he's finished building your home? He puts down 2 or 3 inches of good topsoil and puts lawn on top of it. So the best soil on your property is those 2 or 3 inches you're now going to take away and discard, which leaves you with the subsoil. So it's not a great way to start. You want to keep that topsoil. So this is another option, and I think it's one of the better options. And it's called lasagna gardening or sheet mulching. You take either newspaper or cardboard, and I highly recommend staying away from the cardboard. You lay it down in sheets, wet it as you go, because dry newspaper flies away on you, but once it's wet, it stays in place. Cover it with something. It can be soil, it can be compost, it can be mulch. It doesn't really matter. It's really there just to hold the newspaper in place. And what happens? Well, the grass can't get any light, and it dies pretty quickly. Within 3 or 4 weeks, that grass is completely dead, and you can start planting in this. Now, what some people will do with this technique is they'll actually put several inches of soil on top, and then they plant right away. And by the time the roots need to go deeper, a lot of that newspaper has been decomposed. So this is an easy way to start a garden. It keeps all that topsoil in place. It disturbs the soil as little as possible. And once you understand more about soil, you realize that it's that soil structure that's really important for plants. You don't really want to destroy that structure. And it's the least amount of work, except that you have to find some newspaper, which is a little hard now that you're getting all your news online, but you still have to go and find it. Now, a lot of people use cardboard, and I recommended not to use it. It actually works fine. The problem is cardboard takes about a year to decompose, at least in zone 5. If you're in a much warmer zone, it'll be a little faster. But it's a slow process. So here you are sitting in spring, you're ready to get gardening. And what do? You put down cardboard that needs to sit for a year. That's not a great solution for someone who doesn't have the patience to wait for a year. So go with the newspaper. It's much better. To see the next video in this series, click in the top right-hand corner. That will take you to a playlist that contains all the videos in this series.